this is Sahanaj Tamanna. Welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, my channel got monetized on 2nd June. Then finally, I've got my Google AdSense Letter on 2nd August. I'm really over the moon right now. An achievement is a great accomplishment, something achieved with great effort or skill. Yes, I had paid much effort to reach the goal where I am standing right now. I'm grateful to Allah for everything. I'm grateful to my family, to my subscribers and viewers, and to all those people who have supported me in this long way. I made this chicken pizza. If you want the recipe, comment down below so I can make a video for you guys. I already have a video on how to make beef pizza. I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure to check them out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching. Bye.